Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to enable the easy mode or the simple mode at the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So it is a big phone, but some people likes it more with bigger buttons, maybe for the elderly and so on. So let's start. We are going to the settings, then let's go to the advanced settings. So now you have here the simple mode. So tap on it and now apply for it. So now you have the simple mode. So you have big buttons, maybe for the dialer, or for the contacts, for the music, the text messages, for the camera, the gallery. So this is the automatic setup, and you can change the interface a bit, also the buttons, how you want to have it. Maybe if you say, okay, music, I don't really need it on a starting page. Go with your finger on the button and hold it longer, and now you enter the mode to remove some apps. As you can see, just go on the minus and the app is removed now. If you want to have another one, just go on the plus here, or wherever you want to have it. Now you can do it also on the second page or at another page now as you want. But let's continue on the starting page. So go on the plus, and now you could choose if you want to have somebody from your contacts you want to have on the starting page or in another place, or go on apps. Maybe let us say we need a calculator. Now you have a calculator on your starting page. Go on done, and you have a calculator on your starting page. Slider. Okay, you see the easy mode have very big buttons. For me it's very nice because especially for elderlies, they are not used to have so many apps on the same page. It's a bit too much if you start with a smartphone. So if you want to remove this simple mode, just go to the second page, to the settings, or wherever you put the settings. Go on settings. So then on more settings. So now the same thing. We need advanced settings. Then the simple mode. And now we go just on exit. And now you are back to the regular mode. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a thumbs up or a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And maybe you're also interested in one of my other videos for the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. I did some others, how to make a screenshot and so on and so on. If you're interested in to check out a bit what your phone can do. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.